Hello guys. Now let's understand stubbing and argument matches with some code example. I have set up few example or we can say some cookbook for stubs. You can understand basics here and we will continue understanding these example until we reach advanced level. So in this example we will learn when then return example with any string, any int, any map. Second, we have when, then throw example. Third, do return when spy example. Do throw when void example. When, then throw multiple call example. When, then call real method example. Do answer when example. So these are some kind of cookbooks. So let's start. So guys, to understand this example, I have created a few code. So this is a product service class, so which have two object, product DAO and bill service. So it has a constructor. It has few methods which needs to be tested. So with these code, we will understand how to write stubbing and argument matcher. And let's see our test class. So I have created this stubs folder, and in this I have this product service test class. So I have written all the examples in the comment section. So you can go and study these example in the Git GitHub link. So as we remember, we can create a mock, we can create a spy, we can create a inject mock. So these all I already done in this class. I have initiated my mock with the help of open mock method. You can do that with annotations also. So let's understand first example, when then return example with any string. So in this, I'll call a method and I stub it with when then return. And this example is related to any string. So to test this, I'm writing test for this method of service. Service dot get product detail by name. So this product detail by name needs a string name and it will return uh, me a product detail. So let's test this method. So let's pass some name here, any test name. So let me pass some test product. This is my product name, and let's add some assertion here. First, I will check that my product detail is not null. Then I'll check that my this given name test product is matching with this product detail or not. So first I'll pass the expected, that is test product. Then I'll pass the actual. So it should match. So this is my test case. Now let's use my mock, that is product DAO. So if I go in my test method, I'll see that it is calling product DAO to get the product detail, and then it is returning to the user that this is the product detail. So now I will mock this product DAO dot get name, and then I'll stub it. So if I go in my test class, I have already mocked my product DAO. So now I just need to stub it. So first I'll call when method of my Mockito, and I'll tell that when method that product dot get. Now this example is for any string. So I'll tell my get method that any string method will. So I'll tell my get method that any string will come as an input, then return a product which is I am expecting here. So let me give it a product which we want to send as a response. So let's create this product response, product detail. I have set the product name. I will set some ID. I'll set some price, let's say 20. This product has a price. Now let's set the description. This is description. So this is my stubbing is done. So you can see this stubbing needs a hard-coded data, and it will pass by this then return method. So in this example, we understand that when product.get with any string, whichever string it will get, any string it will get, even ABC or test product or anything, it will always return me this response. And even I can check in my assertion that if I'm sending this price 20, is it coming or not? That price is equal to 20. Or we can use set equal also. So this is correct. So let's test our code. Okay, let's run this. So now I've stopped this method product dot get. So let's see if I'm getting the correct object or not. So my input is test product. Now if this method is called, it will always return the product which I have stubbed in this method. You can see in the product detail. Yes. So these are the details I have stubbed in my product. Let's return this. Now I got the product detail which I have stubbed here in product response. So I'm getting that in product detail now. So my stubbing is successful, my mocking is successful. Let's check the assertions now. Assertions have been successful. And my test is also green. So this is test when then with any string example. So guys, after this, let us understand our second example, when then return example with any int. For this, I am checking another method of my service class, get product by ID. So I am passing product ID as 1, and this method will return me a product detail with the help of product ID. And in this case also my assertions will be same, and in this case my stubbing is also quite same. Now let's check which method is product by ID is calling. It is calling get by ID. So I need to stub this method. So get by ID. Now any string is no use for me. This will give me this product response object. So let's debug this. As you can see, I have set the product ID as 1. Now I'm getting the product detail which I have stubbed. So my test is green. So in this example, we understood that whenever we are stubbing get by ID method with any int argument matcher, then it should return this product response. After this, let us understand example of when then return example with any map. For this example, I am using the method getDetail. It needs a map method. It it needs a map object as an input. So let's write test for this. Service dot get detail. Let's stub this. Let's take this product response object here, paste it here. Now this detail method needs a name to price map. Name to price. So let's give a map with name to price. So name of my product is test product and its price is 20, and in this combination it should give me a product detail. Now my get detail method uses product.getMap method to get the details. Now I am telling getMyMap method that any map come as an input, then always return this product response. Now let's take our assertions. All tests are green. I hope you understand here that we have a kind of argument matcher with the same functionality. We are giving any map, we are giving any int. So we have a wide range of possibility. Any string can come to this method, any int come to this method, and any map also. So this has wider variation, and we can verify many things with these methods. These method, any strings come from this argument matcher class. It is under Mockito package.